Whoop. You can't have the whole thing now.
Yeah. Kitty.
Kitty, yeah. That's the kitty. No, Grayson, you can't have the whole thing. You can't hold it. Little bites. Whoa. See, he knows how to eat in moderation. You getting awful close to me. Show Mama. Look at my chocolate tongue, Mama.
I see you.
Whoa. See, I only get fudgesicles when my Mimi's here. Hey, let Mimi have a bite. Let me have a bite, too. It made you drunk? Yeah. Almost gone, Grayson. Almost gone. He's trying to show off to you, Mama.
Oh, let me see.
He's wanting to show you that he's eating fudgesicles.
Okay, I'm watching.
Okay. Almost gone. Show Mama.
Grayson, where's Mommy?
It's almost gone. Mimi's going to take the last bite.
I see you.
Okay. Last bite, Grayson. Last one. Last bite. That's it. Gone. Gone.